You guys, so I'm back with another friend mail video, and I'm super excited because this one is from Miss Corn Riley, but her name on YouTube, she changed it to CornFlowerCrafts. So I'm gonna leave it up here if you guys want to check out her channel. She's awesome. She does amazing hauls, project shares. She's so talented, guys. She makes handmade flowers from fabric, like. It is absolutely gorgeous. She's so very talented. Guys, I had to cover the front so you guys can see how beautiful she decorated it. She knows I love butterflies, so I love the way she decorated the front. Thank you. And she put back here, fragile, please handle with care. How sweet, you guys. Okay, so my daughter's birthday is unicorn theme, and by the time you're watching this video, I think my daughter's birthday will be already done with, but I'm definitely gonna be using these. Look, okay, so I gotta make candy bags with this now after this video. Oh my goodness, so she sent a little package for Laylah because oh my gosh, she thought about her. Yay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Corn. This is a beautiful, like, even the feeling of this envelope, it is super cute. And I can reuse this, like, oh my gosh, it says just for you, and it has like a little ribbon here. Love that. Oh, Corn. Oh my goodness, she's got so many goodies. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this stuff aside, and when Miss Laylah comes home from school, we're gonna open this up. So she gave me this cute tea. Oh my goodness, it says black tea, cinnamon sticks. It's a very gloomy and rainy and cold day today, so I might even make this because I haven't had tea in a while. So I think I'm gonna do that. And I believe she sent me a pocket letter, so these are probably all the goodies that are supposed to go in there. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. This is so cute. So it's like iridescent, like that teal color is my favorite color. Look, she sent me little sequins and flowers. Oh my goodness, look, there's a butterfly. I've never seen these big ones before. These are cool. I like this a lot. So there's pink ones, and there's like iridescent colors in there. And little buttons. I'm starting to collect some buttons because people have been sending me some, and I'm happy because I never picked up the ones from Dollar Tree that come in a little jar. So I kind of regret it, but not really because my friends are sending me buttons so I can collect my own little buttons. Look at this clothespin. Oh, this is like strong. Look at that color. She sent me washi and it says awesome. Oh my goodness, thank you. Look at that, you guys. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. And this beautiful, beautiful rose trim, you guys. Look at that. I can cut this up and add it into my projects. Oh my goodness, I love this. Thank you for sharing with me. Yay. First of all, look at this beautiful freaking tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Where do you get this from? And she added pink little washi tape. I try my best to... Okay, that's perfect. I can still reuse this for sure. I love the way she packaged it. Oh my gosh. Look how gorgeous. She added this beautiful pink ribbon that I can reuse. And this cute little card. Look at her penmanship. It is the cutest ever. I absolutely love that. And she added some cute stickers. Oh, look at the bunny rabbits. Bunny rabbits. Corn loves bunny rabbits. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to do a second part to this video. So if you want to see Laylah opening up her gifts that Miss Corn sent, I am going to leave it here, and I will have this video and that video uploaded at the same time, so you guys want to just hop over to that video. Okay. Oh my god, look how cute. She added the little bunny rabbit. I don't want to mess him up. Like, I saved the little bunny rabbit so that I could just put this back in. But look at this cute little card, you guys, and it has flowers and like pink little roses and that beautiful green bluish color. Oh my goodness. And inside, I'm going to keep to myself, but the first bag, the little baggie that I opened was the goodies that go into the pocket letter, and everything that's Laylah's is labeled. So thank you. Thank you so much, Corn, for thinking of my daughter. And I know she's going to have a birthday full of glitter and unicorns because she mentioned that in the card. That was super cute of you. Thank you. And I love this ribbon that I'm totally going to reuse. I'm gonna reuse this doily because I don't think I have one this big. How precious is this? Oh my gosh. She rounded the corners. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go here. Guys, look at these mason jars and the flowers. I seen her haul the paper pad to this collection. OMG. Look at that butterfly. Oh my goodness. Here she put the doily, the half doily with the butterflies as hashtag celebrate. She did some layering here. I see some hummingbirds back there, butterflies, beautiful paper. And I love how she rounded the corners. I really enjoy that. This gorgeous little like tassel. Now, CraftyMermaidMom, I hope I'm saying her name right. I think her name is Dolly. You mention her a lot, Corn, and she's the sweetest, and you put me on to her, and I subscribe right away because she's like very talented and awesome and very sweet and kind. And I noticed she does these, and I think you probably got the idea from that because you have mentioned in your channel that she makes these, and I've heard her say it in her channel too. And I will leave Dolly's link down below. Her name is CraftyMermaidMom, I believe. And if I'm wrong, I'm going to recorrect it here. But she does these beautiful tassels, and then you could just take them apart and reuse it. Reuse all the ribbon that is here, or you could just leave it like this. But I think I'm going to leave it just like this because it's just too pretty. Maybe in the future I'll take it apart. But for now, it's going to stay like that. But that's a very unique and cool way to share some ribbon with your friends. So over here, you guys, oh my goodness, I love the simpleness. But yet it's like perfect, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this cupcake. And it has like little shimmer. Oh, and then is that like ribbon? Oh no, that's paper. Wow, that looked like ribbon for a second. I love that she like made it pop out. And look at this mason jar with the butterflies and the flowers. And of course, Corn, the jar open. Yes, yes, so beautiful. Look at this washi tape she used down below. And this beautiful balloon with those little dots. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. This is gorgeous paper. Look at those butterflies. OMG. I love the ribbon that she put here. The little twine. And Corn, I'm sorry if I'm late to this. I'm always late to all my friend mail. But I always get it out. Eventually. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at this, you guys. And I like when Corn says, oh my lands. Oh my stars. She's so cute. Corn, you're so cute. Look at this here, you guys. So it has the love and the layering, little heart. Oh my God, that paper pad is just to die for. And here she added the birds and the doily on the polka dots. And look at the bumblebees. Bumblebees. So cute. Look at the bow. She even added a bow right here. Oh my God, this is just gorgeous. Like, I love how she just left the paper, like, and just added one or two things. You know what I mean? Like, that is just perfect. Like, oh, just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, Corn. Thank you so much for this. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am super thankful that I have one of your creations because you are just super talented. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Corn, for my goodies and this beautiful package that you sent for my daughter. I am so thankful and grateful that you and I became friends. She has been very spoiled from my YouTube friends, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you, Corn, so much. And guys, if you want to see my daughter opening these goodies up, stay tuned. I'll leave that link here and down below. Please go check out that video so you guys can see what Corn sent to my daughter, Laylah Rose. And thank you, Corn, again so very much. Like, I appreciate this so very much. So guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure to check out my next video, and I'll check you guys on the next one. Thank you, Corn. Bye, guys.